The previous describes how to install the software. This automatic sleeve cut. Now we explain the specific detailed operation. Take this picture first. There is this picture in the downloaded sample, or you can prepare a picture yourself. We'll demonstrate now with this image. Put this picture in this A4 layout. This is an A4 size picture. Here you can see the layout size. After the picture came in, select this to create a contour cut. Remove this hollow, or he'll dig out the empty space inside. Track it. The contour distance here, we are now set to 0.5. If it is positive, it will expand outward. Negative numbers expand inside, and then accept it. This contour line will come out. After the outline comes out, point cutting wizard. The cutting wizard selected the 1300A model here. Then this will show the right angle mark. After the right angle mark comes out, we point to print. Or is the point saved as an image? To save as an image is to print it with a photo machine, and then save it here as an image. It generates a T5 format out. Generate a T5 file. For example, we call this file name A4 test. Then save. I'll take it to the photo machine and print it. After saving, regenerate the second cut file. Choose to cut here. The next step is A4. The name is A4. Complete. We copy the A4 file to the U disk. Copy the USB flash drive to the computer. Take the A4 file, A4 PLT of this file, copy to U disk. Plug it into the machine again. Plug it into the machine. After inserting it into the machine, we take this printed paper. If you install it, you must press the wheel. This pressure will needs to be on top of this steel wing elbow. Then we put this A4 paper in. The mark on the left follows. The marks on both sides here, be sure to align on this line. Align and hold it down. Press it down again. After the pressure came down, move arrow keys. What we have now is a drawing pen. If it is a blade, it can also be loaded with a knife. Put this pen on. After loading, move this nib into this right angle. Move it into the right angle. In this, after moving, press repeat key. Press repeat. Repeat twice. Select U disk file, and then determine, find the A4 file just now. Press the confirm key after this file. It began to sweep. But it keeps sweeping the words. Then we need to adjust this. Turn this knob over here. Tune it to scan accurately. So if it often sweeps in one place, we need to adjust this knob. Note that the paper must not be warped. If in the course of work, or before scanning, If this paper is tilted up, it is undetectable. If at the first point, it was at the first point, has been sweeping left and right, we will adjust this one. There's an adjustable knob on this side. This is the end of the work. For example, I'm just going to twist this knob. I'll twist a little first. Then we can look. If it can't sweep, repeat it again. It just keeps shaking like this, and it doesn't move. And then we're going to tweak this. It has a light here. This indicator light, under normal circumstances, when you encounter this black line, its light is going off. Now it's always on. We can twist it up a little bit. Twist a little at a time, then put this indicator light. This indicator light, white indicator light, move into this box, move inside this nail frame, look below. After moving into this nail frame, press the confirm key again. It will continue to sweep. If you still can't sweep it like this, we can keep twisting. Twist until it can sweep. If you can't twist down, twist up. In the process of his work, he can directly adjust the pressure according to this left and right, adjust the speed up and down. Now this cutting is more accurate. If cut out, he has a deviation to the left or right. We need to adjust that offset. If the offset is offset, another piece of smoke elimination paper will be printed for testing. This is more accurate. If this picture goes to the left, or if there is a deviation up and down, just adjust the offset. It is recommended to watch another video.